In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use dynamic content in Getresponse Autoresponder. Dynamic content helps you personalize emails so your message feels more relevant to each subscriber. Instead of sending the exact same wording to everyone, you can insert details from your contact data, like a name or any custom field you collect. This can improve engagement and make your autoresponders feel more tailored, while still staying fully automated. To begin, log into your Getresponse account and go to Tools, then choose Autoresponders. This is where you create automated messages that send based on timing or specific conditions. From here, click Create Autoresponder to build a new one, or open an existing autoresponder if you want to add dynamic content to something you have already set up. Next, move to the message design portion by clicking Design Message. This opens the email editor where you can build and format your email. Once you are in the editor, click inside any text block. It is important to place your cursor exactly where you want the personalized information to appear, because Getresponse will insert the selected field at that position in the text. With the cursor in place, click the personalization icon. This tool lets you pull in information stored in your contact list. You will see options for system fields and custom fields. System fields are standard items that Getresponse already recognizes, while custom fields are anything you have created yourself, such as a preference, location, or a label from a sign-up form. Select the field you want from the list, and it will be inserted into your text block as a personalization tag. After you add your personalization, click the layout block in your message. In the side panel, toggle the option to add dynamic content. This setting enables dynamic behavior within your message layout, so the content can adapt based on the data available for each subscriber. When you are done, click Next to continue. Take a moment to review the message for spacing and readability, especially around the personalization tag, so it flows naturally when the email is delivered. Finally, click Save and Publish to activate your changes and ensure the autoresponder is ready to send. And that covers everything you need to know.